Although Surf Air Mobility's stock has been cruising at record lows after diving from its high from a year ago, many investors remain on board. Let's try to see the world from their view and why Surf could be soaring in the green with time. For starters, they have 3 flagship software products for their Surf OS AI-enabled operating system, set for broad commercial release in 2026. These products, Broker OS, Operator OS, and Owner OS, are designed to serve charter brokers, aircraft operators, and aircraft owners, respectively. Surf OS integrates industry data into a single platform, creating an operating system for the regional air mobility industry powered by Palantir Technologies. Broker OS streamlines sourcing, quoting, booking, and payments for charter brokers, reducing manual workflows and providing instant access to available inventory, live pricing, and end-to-end trip management capabilities. It's currently used to manage Surf Air Mobility's Surf on-demand charter service and will target hundreds of the largest private charter broker companies and thousands of travel agents worldwide. Operator OS optimizes aircraft and crew scheduling for Part 135 charter operators and scheduled commuter airlines, reducing turn times and improving aircraft and pilot utilization. It includes a companion mobile crew app for streamlined day-of-flight coordination and will target over 1,800 Part 135 operators. Owner OS delivers transparency and optimization capabilities to private aircraft owners, providing insight into asset utilization and supporting decisions to optimize aircraft usage and generate better returns on assets. It will target the owners of nearly 12,000 Part 135 aircraft. Then there's the market opportunity for the regional air mobility industry that's projected to reach $75 to $115 billion globally by 2035. Surf OS is positioned to serve this industry, with its first commercial software products having a more immediate impact on the private aviation landscape. Broker OS and Operator OS are designed to address the global private jet charter services market, an estimated $41 billion opportunity by 2029, while Owner OS targets the estimated $40 billion global private aircraft sales market. Surf Air Mobility has beta agreements with 8 users, helping shape the development of key features. The company's Surf OS is built to serve today's regional and private aviation stakeholders while anticipating the era of electrified aircraft, which will require modern software to manage flight operations and consumer distribution superscript 1. Surf is also making progress in the optimization phase of its 4-phase transformation plan, focusing on operational improvements and internal Surf OS technology deployment to achieve profitability in its airline operations this year. The company has seen notable improvements in its airline operations, including a 10% increase in controllable completion factor and 21% improvements in both on-time departures and arrivals within 14 minutes of planned schedule compared to FY 2024. These metrics are currently the highest on record since January 2023. The company attributes these operational improvements to its strengthened senior leadership team, significant investments in refurbishing aircraft, introducing new Cessna Caravans into service, and broadening internal adoption of Surf OS. Additionally, Surf Air Mobility has won a bid contract renewal in one essential air service community. This contract renewal is expected to generate approximately $9.9 million in additional subsidy revenue over the next 4 years. The Surf on-demand business has expanded to work with over 425 operators since its inception. The company's crew app has doubled pilot reporting for flight risk assessment tool reports, strengthening its safety culture and enhancing operational visibility. Deanna White, CEO and COO of Surf Air Mobility, emphasized that the primary objective of the optimization phase is to build a more efficient and profitable organization. She highlighted the significant investments made across the organization and within the fleet, which have led to tangible returns on investment and execution momentum. Surf Air Mobility remains on track to enter the 3rd phase of its transformation plan, expansion, in 2026, focusing on launching new scheduled routes and offering Surf OS to third-party customers. Internal confidence in the transformation plan was shown by co-founder and board member Sudhin Shani, who purchased 408,163 shares of the company's common stock at market price, totaling approximately $1 million in a private transaction directly with the company. Shawnee expressed confidence in the company's experienced leadership team's ability to continue executing its plans, stating, "Our transformation plan is already having an early impact. We've improved operations and strengthened the core business. I'm confident in our experienced leadership team's continued execution capabilities." Recently, Surf Air Mobility also announced the closing of a $27 million registered direct offering of common stock. The company sold 10,800,002 shares of common stock at a purchase price of $2.50 per share. H.C. Wainwright and Company acted as the exclusive placement agent for the offering. The gross proceeds from the offering were approximately $27 million before deducting the placement agent's fees and other offering expenses. Surf Air Mobility intends to use the net proceeds from the offering to pay down certain indebtedness and for general corporate purposes. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.